Well, that was the other thing. That was a big theme about his never being properly acknowledged in the circle of writers and in the Institute, in the Filmmaking Institute, at Beibrich, that somehow he was always so, in Beibrich he was like 5 steps behind Leibniz. And in the Institute, it was Gutmann, was that his name?
Goodman.
Right. And then, so he never really got, I mean, he worked like a fiend for all these organizations. He was president of the Institute for many years.
Shalom Aleichem Folks Institute.
Yeah, right. So, but somehow, and I think part of it was because he was so sure of himself that he aroused some negative that he aroused others to sort of say behind his back, kind of, we're not going to let you be as big as you think you are.
I think they turned up their noses at children's books.
And that was the other thing, right? The children's literature was not impressive enough.
And then his philosophical books and his historical books, they also didn't really become a big hit. He always wanted to be in Who's Who in America. He was in Who's Who in World Jewelry. He was Who's Who in American Jewelry.
No, he was also in Who's Who in the East. Yeah. He was in Who's Who in the East.
But he wanted to be in Who's Who in America. He never got in, although they practically beg you to go in if you buy the books. So I always, when he's now on Wikipedia, I did the biography of him on Wikipedia. And so I view that he's, assuming Wikipedia is going to be there in all eternity, he's there for something better than Who's Who in America. He would be pleased by that. That's why I did it, actually. I did that to please him, and I translated Kluge-Hent to please him. And I paid my respects with those 2 things that I did.